Healthmark's Vertical Vibe Mini is that it's a perfect size for studio or group settings. And it's also got a small footprint if you want to use it at your home. And now I have the tension straps attached to the Mini, and I'm going to show you how you can get a great lower body and upper body workout simultaneously. I'm going to grab the straps and step on the machine, and I'm going to go into the modified squat position, which is going to be our base for all these exercises. We go down to the squat, the lower position of the squat. I'm pushing up on the straps with my arms, and I'm also pushing up with my legs to give it a constant resistance. I'm going to hold this position, then I'm going to rotate outward, working the middle delts, the upper back, and the lats, while I've still got my quads, hamstrings, glutes, and calves engaged. Switch to the front, adding in the anterior or front delts, and then I'm going to come up out of my squat position slightly into a modified bicep curl, giving resistance to the bicep, which is a two-headed muscle on the front of the arm. And that way I can get many muscle groups simultaneously. While it's small in stature, the base is still large enough to do many of your floor exercises. As a matter of fact, it's perfect for doing all of your floor exercises for building upper body strength. All right, I've got it running. I'm going to set it on 8 Hertz. I'm going to get on the floor, and I'm going to do the basic floor exercises for building the upper body and also working the core simultaneously. So I'm going to start off with your basic push-up. And from this position, I can hold it in an isometric contraction at the top, or take it down to the middle of the position, and let the machine do the work with the biovertical stimulation. I can also rep it out slowly. And while I'm doing this strength exercise for the upper body, the machine, the biovertical stimulation of the machine is actually activating the fast twitch muscle fibers while I work the larger slow twitch muscle fibers. Now we can do the same thing for the triceps from the push-up position using the triangular base for the tricep push-up. Back straight in a line. We can hold it in the top position or in a lower position. And we can also rep it out in a small range of motion, keeping the stress on the tricep muscle. Another great core exercise from the floor is the standard plank. In the plank position, back is straight, and you simply hold the position with the core engaged. Okay, this time I'm going to modify my push-up, and I'm going to make it a more progressive type of push-up for a more intense workout. And I have the Healthmark Torque 360, which allows me to rotate my wrist in the push-up position so I can get more thorough muscle engagement. So I'm going to place my Torque 360 on the base in the position that I want, assume the push-up position, and once again I can hold it at the top or mid-range and let the biovertical stimulation of the machine do the work, or I can rep it out. And while I'm repping, I can rotate the wrist for thorough engagement of the chest, shoulders, and triceps. I can even rotate just one hand at a time to isolate one particular tricep. In this exercise, I'm going to take it a step further as far as intensity. I'm going to combine the Torque 360 with the Vertical Vibe Mini and a Swiss ball to do some ab curls. And at the same time, it's going to work my shoulders, my chest, but it's going to really stress the core. I'm going to mount my Swiss ball, body straight. I'm going to go down, and as I come up, I'm going to roll out. And now I'm going to combine it with the wrist rotation of the Torque 360. And there I have a quick whole body workout.